Lloyd Ward, it sounds like, are they pretty much specialists at negotiation and really getting to know what their client is trying to do?
Absolutely, because I think that's where your money is best spent, trying to figure out what you want, what they want, what middle ground that you have that's common, where you differ, and how you can come together on those differences before you have to go have a judge decide how you're going to come together on the differences.
Because is it true that in a lot of the, like, divorce and other things, that so much of the control really is in the hands of the main people that are in the contract or agreement? I'm thinking, if it's a divorce, then you got your husband and your wife, and they're there. Much of that can be settled here. It doesn't have to have the state shackles on it, does it?
That's exactly right. You can really make it look like something that's a custom home. That's my analogy I love to use because people understand that. You can make it look like what you want it to look like and come to an agreement so that it works for your family. Every family is different, and even though you're going to be a separate family, you're still going to have kids together, and you're still going to be a family, and you have to work together.
After the divorce, how involved do you stay typically with your clients? And the reason why I ask this is because I know how involved my attorney was. It took us 10 years of different kinds of continually adjusting because things were life changes.
Right. Well, I like to keep in touch with my clients because I'm very personally involved. I want to know the backstory.
Right.
I knew the front story. I want to see them succeed and do well. And you can make adjustments. As long as you both agree, you can make adjustments. But when someone doesn't agree, that's when I may have to get involved again. So it just depends on the family and how well they can adjust and cope and tweak to make things fit. Every time you tweak, you don't have to go back to court.
If you were talking to I want to say a couple that they know they're going down that road, what are 2 or 3 things you would tell them to really get in order before you even sat down with the attorney?
Wow. I would tell them to know what their expenses are, what their assets are, what direction they want to go, what they want it to look like. In their perfect world of this imperfect divorce, what's that going to look like, and how can we accomplish that? And even the most contentious divorces a lot of times have common ground, and let's find that common ground and use that as a base to work from. Wow.
I know that as we're wrapping up today's show, Lloyd Ward & Associates, I've met the group that I met the owner, and I've known Kimberly now for a little over a year. I've seen her work with a number of friends of mine, and just the way that her integrity is something that I've been real impressed with. We always call her the Doominator just because it makes fun of her last name, but I'm sure that there are a lot of clients that she served that their opponents probably felt that way, so I'm thankful for that. Visit Lloyd Ward & Associates at lloydward.com. Give Kimberly a call. If you're in that situation, you need a good attorney. I'm really thrilled with what I see in her. This is the Business Spotlight. You tell your story to the marketplace and abroad. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Lloyd Ward. Welcome to the law offices of Lloyd Ward & Associates.
At Lloyd Ward & Associates, we are a results-driven law firm, aggressively representing individuals and companies of all sizes who seek the knowledgeable legal counsel and skilled team of attorneys in the Dallas area. Known for our integrity and long-term relationships with our clients, we work to provide you with the most practical and cost-effective litigation solutions available. So if you have an issue in the matters of oil and gas law, business law, real estate law, or even just civil litigation, our professional staff of licensed law practitioners will provide the quality preventative law you need. Lloyd Ward has 25 years of experience and a team of fierce, practical advocates with your best interest in mind. We understand that in an ever-growing digital world, business is no longer conducted from 9 to 5. That's why we're always available. Lloyd Ward & Associates. Call us or visit us online.